Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix where the Zoom application is not responding or you are stuck in your Zoom application because this is not responding. So how can we fix that? So first is we need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. So if restarting your Windows helped you fix the issue, then good. But if not, move to the next methods. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Privacy and Security. That's under Accessibility, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Camera. Under App Permissions, click on that. Now make sure that camera access is switched on. Again, make sure that camera access is switched on. Also, let apps access your camera. Make sure this button is switched on, especially for the Zoom application. So if you find the Zoom application listed right here, make sure that the button is switched on. Then go back to privacy and security. Scroll down and you'll find microphone. Microphone access, make sure this button is switched on. Let apps access your microphone, make sure this button is switched on too. Especially for the Zoom application, make sure that the button is switched on for that. Once done, simply close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, search for Task Manager. Click on that. We also need to end the process of the Zoom application right here. So in the list of processes right here, you need to look for the Zoom application. So if you find the Zoom application right here in the list of processes or the applications running in the background, what you'll have to do is you just need to make a right click. Let's say for example, this is the Zoom application. Right click and then select End Task. Now, once you have end task the process for your Zoom application, close this window and then try to launch the Zoom application again and see if this time this will work. Now, for the last method, if the issue keeps on persisting, is we are going to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again into our Windows. So, click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Apps, Installed Apps. In here, look for the Zoom application right here. So if you find the Zoom application, now I don't have that installed in my Windows, but if you find the Zoom application, click on these three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now, once you have uninstalled the Zoom application from your Windows, then we need to reinstall it again. So how can we do that? In the Windows search bar, open your Microsoft Edge browser or any browser that you are using like Firefox or Google Chrome. So type here Zoom download. It's Zoom download and then hit enter. Now you will find this option Zoom.us download, download center for Zoom apps and plugins. Click on that. Now simply scroll down and you will find Zoom Workplace for Windows. You have here download the 64-bit, so it depends on the architecture of your Windows. So I am a 64-bit Windows. Now I have to click on this. So here, the installer file is downloading, so we just need to wait for this. Once done, double click and then just simply close the Microsoft Edge browser. And let's just wait for this to be installed into our Windows. Click on Done. Now here, the Zoom application has been downloaded into our Windows. So if you want to join a meeting, just simply click on join a meeting and you have to enter here the meeting ID. Or if you want to sign up, then you can simply do that. Right here, you just have to confirm your birth year. Like you just have to enter the credentials right here in order to sign up with your account and also click on sign in. You just have to enter your email and your password right here. And if you want to keep signed in, then just simply check this box and you have to click on sign in. So this is how you can fix the issue. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue about Zoom application, then please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.